There's something incredibly satisfying about roasted chana. It's not just a snack, it's a little powerhouse of goodness that packs a punch in so many ways. First off, let's talk about nutrition. Roasted chana is a fantastic source of protein. For anyone looking to add more protein to their diet without diving into the world of meat or dairy, this is a game changer. Just a handful can provide a significant boost to your daily intake. It's perfect for vegetarians and vegans alike, offering that essential building block for muscle repair and growth. Imagine munching on these crunchy little nuggets while knowing you're fueling your body in a healthy way. Then there's the fiber content. Oh, the fiber. Roasted chana is loaded with it, and we all know how important fiber is for our digestive health. It helps keep things moving along, if you know what I mean. It can prevent constipation and promote a healthy gut. Plus, fiber keeps you feeling full longer, which can be a blessing if you're trying to manage your weight. Instead of reaching for those sugary snacks that leave you crashing an hour later, you can grab a handful of roasted chana and feel satisfied. It's like a little miracle in a bowl, keeping hunger at bay while providing essential nutrients. Let's not forget about the versatility of roasted chana. You can eat them straight out of the bag, toss them into a salad for some added crunch, or even blend them into a smoothie for an unexpected twist. They can be seasoned in countless ways, from simple salt to spicy masala, or even sweetened for a different flavor profile. The options are endless. You can customize your snack to fit your mood or your dietary needs. Feeling adventurous? Try them with a sprinkle of chili powder and lime juice. Want something comforting? A touch of salt and a hint of garlic powder can do wonders. It's like having a snack that can transform itself to suit whatever craving you have at the moment. And speaking of cravings, let's talk about the health benefits. Roasted chana is low in fat, making it a guilt-free indulgence. Unlike many other snacks that are fried or loaded with preservatives, roasted chana is a clean option. You can enjoy it without worrying about what it's doing to your body. It's heart healthy too, as it can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. It's amazing how something so simple can contribute to your overall well-being. You can snack away, knowing you're making a choice that's good for your heart and your health. Finally, there's the energy boost. Roasted chana is a great source of complex carbohydrates, which means it provides sustained energy without the crash that comes from sugary snacks. Whether you're gearing up for a workout, need a pick-me-up during a long day at work, or just want to power through that afternoon slump, a handful of roasted chana can give you the energy you need to keep going. It's like having a little secret weapon in your pocket, ready to fuel your day. So, next time you find yourself reaching for a snack, consider roasted chana. It's not just a crunchy treat, it's a nutritional powerhouse that offers protein, fiber, versatility, health benefits, and sustained energy. It's a simple yet effective way to nourish your body and satisfy your cravings. Who knew that such a humble little legume could bring so much to the table? It's time to embrace the roasted chana and all the goodness it brings into our lives.